Neighbors are throwing out a lawnmower. Let's see if I can fix it before my girlfriend notices that there's too much junk in the garage. Oh, wait. I must interact. As we can see. Yep. Still got some compression in there. Looks like it was sitting a bit. There were some vines up top. Air filter here. It's almost sopping wet. It's got some tape up here like this cover was falling off. All right, I just got it to run. Let's see if blow throw the gas already. Might have. Let me put some more gas in it. So basically just gas and an air filter. It started running. Well, the little thing just mowed my whole lawn. My little lawn. I did have to zip tie this arm because I noticed when I push it this way, mower good. But when it go that way too much, it die. So I zip tie, and probably bad. Probably not the right way to fix it. But maybe I'll tear it down more later. So if I can turn a broken lawnmower into a slightly fixed one, let's see if I can turn a working lawnmower into a broken one. She knows. All right, took apart the carb, sprayed it out. There's some junk in there, so let's cross our fingers. Dude, this thing runs sick now. What the hell? Runs mint. Okay, well, I fixed it. I'm awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.